Each one help one. A British citizen has been stranded in Jamaica for 12 years after a bad divorce. Her name is Janie. She is from Catford, Brownhill Road, Lewisham, Southeast London. She worked at the Rising Sun Club in the UK from 2006 to 2007. Her mother's name is Priscilla. Her aunt's name is Sharon. Anyone who knows her and is able to get in touch with her family members, please do so, as she is in dire need of assistance. Let me introduce you to Janie. She's actually sick and she needs her family members to get in touch with her. Watch this video and see if you can identify this person and if you know her family members.
You all do, you know?
Yeah.
But all my brother, my father in town, my mother, my sisters, this is the life that we are living, and we are just preach it out now. If we should die today, you all know what goes on.
Yeah?
We
need your help, please.
This is
Yeah, one day, me she come out of the yard and me do it pan live. Cause through my Wi-Fi now pick up and so do it pan live.
yeah.
Live video. Did not pick up right so me have to just video it and post it.
Yes. This is our father. Our father name was Leopold Francisco Lindsay. He was born in Jamaica. He was a railway guard, London transport. He used to drive the train in England. Her mother name is Mrs. Eureka Marilda Lindsay. She was married to him, but her maiden name is Shaw.
Like only Shaw.
Hardly Shaw, cousin. And if you look at this lady and look at Hardly Shaw, you can see there is a big remembrance as well. And her mother was living in 20 Devonport, Lewisham Road, when they have this girl in Catford, England, London. That's where she was born. She was born in Lewisham Hospital. And she was born on the 19th of December 1972 at the Lewisham Hospital in London, England. And this is Janet again. This is our passport. This is a copy of our passport. This is the person who we are talking about. And from she is here now over 10
when
years.
she young, she pretty.
So we are begging for some help, please.
Yes.
We went to the police then yesterday morning. We called the news team.
Have them at the big man like him a fool.
And everybody carrying me around, carrying
Carrying.
me around. Yes. Yes. If anyone wish I know someone
To help.
please can help. My contact or our number is 493-4793. That's our only contact right now. It's a cellular phone. You can reach us anytime on that phone.
Yeah, you can contact me to 451-7360.
Yes.
Alright.
So all our friends and family, and also workforce. I used to on the football team, Brixton United. I used to play up till the last night. I take up a place in where we win much in trophy every year, much in competition. Please, I'm still here. I'm not dead, yeah? So thank you again, and thank you again to intervene into this interview. But again, if any news team, BBC, World News, or human rights, anybody, she's suffering and she needs some help. And I'm asking for like, yes, she needs to go back in her country right now. And even the Prime Minister May in England, please intervene about this case. Because as an English person, I know if you did know about this May, you would not let this be happening, or the Queen. So please, if anyone can just get this on to you all. You all know it's a woman country, so to speak, and you all make sure she used to be on the government program where she have an NHS card. when she sick, she would go to the hospital. She suffered from trauma, and you all used to contribute to her financially, helping her every 2 weeks by giving her a little money so that she can eat. Now she's suffering and she needs to get some help. And thank you again. That's what we have to say right now.
Alright.